Hello, Dennis here, aka Wood Den, and I'm at my home. Still haven't gotten my computer and cameras and everything squared away, but I'm working on it. Today's little montage is going to be of a cross that I did. It is a Steve Good pattern. Just on the inside cuts, there was over 111 of them. Very intense. I don't know how long it took me to do it. I didn't keep track of time, but I do know that it was very intense. I hope each and every one of you liked this little montage. Thank you for sticking around. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because I'm working on getting back on track again. So have a great day. So there you have it. Nice little wooden cross. Again, the pattern is from Steve Good. Very, very intense for me anyway. I could only work on it an hour and a half at a time, and then my eyes started getting blurry. But anyway, once again, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you like this video, please share. That would do wonders for me. Thanks again. Stay safe.